carrots. The classic crunchy snack, the superstar of soups, and, let's be real, the one vegetable that makes you feel super healthy when you eat it. But here's the problem. Most people grow them wrong. Carrots too short, soils too hard. Carrots twisted and weird, they got crowded. Carrots never even sprouted. You probably missed a key step. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow big, straight, and super sweet carrots. Stick around because I've got a crazy carrot fact at the end that might just blow your mind. Be sure to check out our free app to see which vegetables are perfect for your unique situation. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right carrot variety. Did you know carrots come in all shapes, sizes, and colors? For fast-growing, sweet carrots. Nantes, sweet, crisp, and easy to grow. Parisian, round, golf ball-sized, great for containers. For long, classic carrots. Imperator, the long, straight grocery store carrots. Danvers, great for deeper soil, slightly tapered. For fun and unique colors. Purple dragon, purple outside, orange inside. Cosmic red, bright red with a sweet taste. Pro tip: if you have shallow or rocky soil, grow shorter varieties like Parisian or Danvers to avoid twisted carrots. Step 2. Preparing the soil for your carrots. Carrots grow underground, so if your soil is too hard, they're going to struggle. Loose, well-draining soil is a must. Hard soil equals stubby, weird carrots. pH between 6.0 6.8, slightly acidic to neutral. No fresh manure. Too much nitrogen makes carrots split and hairy. If your soil is compacted, loosen it 12 inches deep with a garden fork. Secret tip: if you have heavy clay soil, mix in sand and compost to make it fluffier. Step 3. Planting carrots like a pro. Carrots are not transplant friendly. Always direct sow the seeds. When to plant? Spring, as soon as the soil reaches 10 degrees. Fall, 10 to 12 weeks before the first frost. How to plant? Sprinkle seeds lightly on top of the soil. Cover with just 1/4 inch of loose soil. Water gently, don't wash the seeds away. Spacing matters. Thin to 2 inches apart once seedlings appear, overcrowding evil twisted carrots. Rows should be 12 inches apart for easy harvesting. Pro tip: carrot seeds take 10 to 14 days to sprout. Keep the soil moist but not soggy the entire time. Step 4. Watering and feeding your carrots. Carrots need consistent moisture for perfect roots. Watering tips: 1 inch of water per week, more in hot weather. Deep watering equals deeper, bigger carrots. Mulch around the base to keep soil moist and prevent weeds. Fertilizing your carrots. Low nitrogen, high phosphorus fertilizer, 5 to 10 to 10. Too much nitrogen equals all leaves, no carrot. Fun fact: carrots grow sweeter when they get a little chilly. Step 5. Protecting carrots from pests. Guess what? Bugs love carrots as much as you do. Common carrot enemies and how to beat them. Carrot rust. Fly. Cover with floating row covers to stop them from laying eggs. Harvest early to avoid infestations. Aphids. Blast them off with water. Spray with neem oil or a DIY soap spray. 1 TSP dish soap plus 1 quart water. Rabbits and deer. Sprinkle cayenne pepper around the garden. Use netting or fencing to keep them out. Pro tip: plant onions next to your carrots. Pests hate the smell. Step 6. Harvesting carrots like a boss. Carrots are ready when they're about 3/4 to 1 inch wide at the top. Most varieties take 60 to 75 days to mature. Tug one up gently to check size before harvesting all. How to harvest. 1. Loosen the soil with a garden fork. 2. Grab the greens near the base. 3. Gently pull. If they don't come out, water the soil first. Pro tip: leave some carrots in the ground for a sweeter fall harvest. Final thought: crazy carrot fact. Did you know carrots weren't originally orange? Yep, the first carrots were purple, white, and yellow. Orange carrots were developed in the Netherlands as a tribute to the royal family. Want more fun gardening tips? Subscribe now, because you can grow it.